What's up, Total Squad? It's me. I'm making a new video, and I hope y'all like this video because I want to spend a lot of work doing this video. So this is gonna be a longer video. So yeah, let's try some stuff. The fire and wind seems like a good start. Smoke. What if I add water and smoke? Fog and fire. Fog, wind and fog, cloud, earth and cloud, fog and earth, mist. Fog and mist. Cloud. Well, wind and fire. Have I done this? Yeah, I've done this. Equals that. And now let's just try volcano. Volcano and earth. What about two earths put together? Mountain. About cloud and lava. Volcano and cloud. Rain. Volcano and rain. Mud. Ooh, what could I make with mud? Mud and fog. Swamp. I feel like mud is it? Mud and mountain. Volcano. Lava. Volcano. Okay. And fire. Water and fire. Steam. What about steam and steam? Cloud. Steam and fire. What about steam and fire? Engine. Engine and engine. Rocket. What about rocket and rocket? Satellite. What do I need to do with satellite? Satellite. I'm gonna know. I'm a moon planet. What can I do with satellite though? I feel like satellite fog. What does that do? Radio. Okay, let me. Because if I have the satellite, I can get to the internet. I believe. Well, satellite, weather, moon. What about satellite and lava, volcano? Just. Wait, two satellites on the moon is the moon. Okay. Let me think. What do I need to add to this? What about mist? No. What about fire? What water? Ocean. Ocean, sea. Sea. Something with satellite, which what can I do with satellite? I'm trying to think. What do you do with satellite? What could I do? Satellite can smoke. Cloud. Let me think for a few seconds. Okay, let me try random stuff. Water. Ocean. Water. Lake. Google. What could I do with Google though? Doesn't Google have some kind of connection to YouTube? I don't know. I have watched videos, but I don't really know. I'll see y'all if something exciting happens. Guys, I have dandelion. What do I do with dandelion? Dandelion. If I add two dandelions. Dandelion patch. Dandelion patch plus. Let's try water and then fire. Just try. No, let's just say dandelion. So what if I add dandelion patch and fire, ash, dandelion plus, what would I do? Rocket and dandelion, seed, seed. What am I doing? Seed plus what would make seed plus seed plus seed. Now, what two plants make? It's hard to control sometimes. Okay, seed plus seed. Tree now. Seed plus seed. What could I add to this? What could I earth? What about earth? No. Mountain? No. Okay, let's try this again. Let's get the main, elements, and let's combine them with seeds. So let's get all the elements. Let's get, just seed a bunch of times. Add water. Let's add wind. And let's add fire first. Okay, what? Seed plus fire. Smoke. I don't know then. Plus fire. Plant. Mountain. Plus seed equals tree. And land plant. And then a patch. A patch plus fire. Let me think for a little bit longer. I have no idea. Okay, guys, I got seeds. What do I add to seeds? Let's also do the same thing. Main elements. Okay, let's get. I got seeds earlier, but I kept on trying stuff. Seed plus what? I don't have fire. No, I don't have fire. Why don't I have fire? Fire and water. Let's try water. Plant. Popcorn. What do I add with popcorn? Cloud. Movie, what? Cloud plus popcorn equals movie. How? I didn't even know that. Now let's try movie with popcorn. Movie with flour. I'm trying to get YouTube. 3D, ooh. Glasses. Glasses plus 3D. What? I would think it would say 3D glasses. I feel like movie has a big part in YouTube. Because now I need to find video. And what do I add to what? Film. What? Also have clips. Movie Rainbow. Just to tell you, I've been doing this for probably an hour. Been doing this since I don't even know. Been doing this for a long time though. I just can't seem to get YouTube. Let's go back to the elements. I'm gonna go down a line. A miss. I am gonna find YouTube. If it's the last thing I do, I will find YouTube. I will find it. Don't know how I would find it. Something that would go as that? No, maybe rocket? No, maybe radar? No. Sonar? I don't think that has maybe plant. Weather? No. Sea? No. Ooh, what about Google? I guess it doesn't go together. YouTube. YouTube movie? What? Don't go together. That's cool. I finally figured it out. I cannot tell you how long that took me. YouTube film. How do you make human? Wait, how would you do that? Human water. Plant. Plant. A plant and mud. Swamp. Swamp and swamp and wind. No. Swamp. Swamp and water. That's an S. You know what? I am not gonna do that. But what I do know is I have YouTube. My YouTube plus Google. Google Tube. What? Google Tube. I don't even think that's a real thing. I think it's fake. What would I add to make this satellite? Google Earth. What? YouTube plus satellite is Google Earth. What do I make with Google Earth? Oh, Google Tube plus Google Earth. Google Ocean. Google Sea. Google that. Google. Okay, that's gonna be the end of this video. Make sure to like and subscribe and hit that bell for notifications. If y'all have any ideas or comments for any other videos, make sure to put it down in the comments. And bye.